Hiya, so we've got a beautiful one for you today, another beautiful one. This is a Valentino Tote in the most fabulous colour. It's like a really gorgeous turquoise and it's just beautiful. The leather is spectacular. It's soft and squishy and squidgy and just beautiful. It's a proper lovely tote this. This is the size if you're wearing it. The exact measurements are on the website, so it's just to give you an idea. So I'm about 5'4", I'm a UK size 8'10". Okay, so that's what you're looking at size-wise. It does come with its dust bag. Valentino dust bag, where's the tag for the side? There it is. Valentino dust bag. And obviously the main feature, apart from the epic colour, is this beautiful Valentino badge on the fasten. It's just so beautiful. So we have got some studs on the base and we'll show you the back. There's quite a lot of detail on the bag. Beautiful stitching and all the studs. I love it. The handle is so soft. It's just a delight to hold and carry. So double top handles. It's got a flat closure with a magnetic press stud fasten there. And then if we open it up, it's got a nice pale lining inside so you can see what's going on. The Valentino badge is here. And one zipped pocket just there. Nice size pocket, and it's got a gorgeous little zip pull, which I think is just adorable. The condition of the bag, we've called the condition good throughout. So good exterior, good interior, good hardware. There's nothing particularly for me to point out to you. There's no major issues. You can just see that somebody has used it. So there's just some wear to the bottom corners. I'll show you this side as well. Not a lot of wear. In fact, it's mainly just on that bottom bit there here. There's a little tiny bit there. But overall, it's in very good condition. Well, good condition we've called it. Like I said, you can just tell that somebody has used it a few times. But it's just gorgeous, and it's that colour, isn't it? It's just beautiful. So, there's a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below this video, it will take you straight to this on the website, and on there is our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets. As always, please sign up to the newsletter. The reason I always sign up is we're going to send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. So it's well worth doing. Even if this bag isn't going to be your first purchase, go and do it now, and then you've got the code ready for when you do see the bag that you want to be your first purchase. I've also put a link to our Instagram. Instagram has got all of our products on it, but also a bit more of what's going on in Armcandy world. So if you're interested in knowing what might be coming, what bags are coming up, what's just been landed on the website, if you're interested in knowing what's going on with Team Armcandy, what's going on in our flagship store, go and join the party on Instagram. I can't believe I've just said go and join the party. But there you are. Go and join the party on Instagram. And of course, if you like bags, then subscribe to this channel. We have got bags coming in all the time. We want to show you them and show you the features and the condition. So subscribe to the channel, and then you'll get to see all the gorgeous Armcandy that we've got coming in.